Good day, McVeigh, and happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. So we're going to start with a project from Robert, who did a new topic we've never had on the show, railroad worms. And these are very cool creatures. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, there's little yellow dots and also the red here because they are bioluminescent, living, luminescent, lighting up. So they light up, they glow in the dark. Luminous, something that lights. And there are a lot of creatures out there that are bioluminescent. This one happens to be in two colors, red and in a yellow color, which really tells the other creatures don't eat it. It's one of their defense mechanisms, and the red light helps them see. But they're called railroad worms because they look like a train, actually. So, and the windows on the train are those little lights. So, cool new topic for us to be thinking of. Then, Kate in our kindergarten did a quick project on spiders, giving some fun facts. There are over 40,000 species, and a single female can lay 1,000 eggs. That's a lot of eggs. And then Joseph did a project on polar bears. So when we think of something that's polar, it means of or relating to a pole. So North Pole, South Pole. Yep, the cold regions. That's where you're going to find the polar bears. And they weigh a lot, as much as 7 humans, could be up to 12 or 1,400 pounds. They use their paws to dig and find food or to fish because they are great swimmers. Their front paws are their paddles and their back legs steer. Yep, now that's different than, let's say, a car. The front wheels are doing the steering as opposed to the polar bear. They are carnivores, and something that is unique to the polar bears, they look white, but they're not actually white. Their hair is clear. The white is a reflection of the environment, yes, of the snow. All right, and then finally, getting smart through art, Kevin Zhang. Look at that. I mean, that is awesome. All right, now, the last project I have for you today is by Chris, who made a 3-dimensional supply closet out of cardboard. Little STEM project. So it has legs, so it stands up. You can open the door, put your supplies inside, and this is just recycled cardboard. Well done, Chris. All right, now moving on to the mystery number and Wordle. The 2 vowels I was looking for today are the U, the least common vowel, and an O. All right, so let's see. All right, this is the second most common consonant. And mystery number, so we're looking for the number that will make this number the smallest number using one of the even homonyms in the hundreds place. So that has to be a 2. If we use the 4 or the 8, that would be greater than 1,200 something else. So now there are 2 other digits that we are missing. They are both even, and they're not homonyms. All right, now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the mighty kind moment of the day is a shout out to all of the people who are working at our boutique. So make sure that when you go there that you tell them that you appreciate them and thank them. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.